Ever wanted to make a talking avatar video where your photo literally talks like a real person? What if I told you you could do it in just a few clicks? Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Hedra AI, a powerful tool that lets you create animated avatars with voice, even from just a single image. We'll explore all the features, how to use it, choose a style, add audio, and even make your avatar say anything you want. So let's dive in. So here we are on the Hedra AI homepage. Let's start by creating an account real quick. And we're in. Once you're inside, you'll notice there are three main sections. Video, where you can create talking head avatars. Image, to generate or stylize avatars from photos. Audio, to create or generate voiceovers and AI speech. Quick look at the plans. Hedra offers a free plan with 300 credits, slower generation, and no commercial use. I'm using the Lite Plan, which costs $10/month. It gives me 1,000 credits, premium voices, commercial use, no watermark, and voice cloning. Credits don't roll over, so make sure to use them within the month. If you're just testing, free is enough. But Lite gives way more value for creators like me. Now, let's dive in. We're going to explore the Video tab inside Hedra AI, the place where the real magic happens. This is where we create a full talking head avatar from scratch. We'll go step by step through each feature so you know exactly what to do. The first thing we need to set is the start frame. That means the base image that will be animated. You'll see three options here. Create image, generate a character using AI from text prompts. Capture image, take a photo with your webcam. Upload image, upload a photo from your computer. For this tutorial, I'll choose Upload Image and select a clear, front-facing photo from my desktop. Next, we pick the animation model. I'm using the default, Hedra Character 3, and luckily, it's available on the free plan. Other models like VO2 or Kling may be available if you upgrade, but Character 3 gives amazing lip sync and facial animation. Now choose your aspect ratio depending on where your video will be used. You've got 1:1 for square social media posts, 16:9 for YouTube or landscape videos, 9:16 for vertical platforms like TikTok or Reels. Since we're making a YouTube tutorial, I'm going with 16:9. Next up, video quality. You can choose between 540p and 720p. For the best clarity, I always recommend selecting 720p, even if it takes a few seconds longer to generate. As for duration, we'll leave it on auto. That means the video length will automatically match the length of our audio. Now let's add the voice. This is where things get interesting. You can give your avatar a voice using one of these three options. Generate speech. Type a script and let Hedra's AI generate the voice. Record audio. Use your mic to record directly. Upload audio. Add a file from your device. Let's keep it simple. I'll use the Generate Speech option and type, "Hello everyone, welcome to our Hedra AI tutorial." Now let's choose a voice. I am choosing this one, and hit Generate Audio. In just a few seconds, Hedra will synthesize a natural-sounding voice to match this line. Then click Add to Video. You can also give some prompt. I am giving a simple prompt. A boy is saying something. Now click the Generate button and Hedra will begin animating your avatar. This can take a minute, so grab a coffee or just wait a moment. And it's done. Let's hit play and see how it turned out.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our Hedra AI tutorial.
That's actually impressive. Smooth lip sync, natural expressions, and the voice sounds pretty realistic too. The lip sync looks clean, and the voice sounds natural. It feels like this photo just came to life. Now I can download it and use it anywhere. My videos, presentations, social media, wherever I want. Now let's try again, but this time with a more realistic male image. I'll be using the same model as before since it supports both animation and voice generation. Instead of uploading a photo, I'm using the Create Image option to generate a new character. Prompt I'm using: a smart, confident man in his 30s, light blue shirt, short hair, friendly expression, white background, studio lighting, centered portrait. Looks great. Clean background, centered face, and perfect lighting. Just right for a polished avatar video. I'll keep everything else the same. Aspect ratio, 16:9. Quality, 720. Duration, auto. Now let's give our avatar something to say. Here's my script. Hi there. I'm your virtual assistant, and today I'll walk you through something exciting. With Hedra AI, we can create talking avatars in minutes. Let's see how it works. Hedra just turned that text into a natural voice using AI. All set. With our image and voice ready, I'm clicking Generate Video, and the AI will animate everything together. And here's the result.
Hi there, I'm your virtual assistant, and today I'll walk you through something exciting. With Hedra AI, we can create talking avatars in minutes. Let's see how it works.
Clear voice, sensed animation, and natural-looking expressions. This is a great example of how you can use any script and character idea to quickly generate a clean, professional video. All right, that's it for this full walkthrough of Hedra AI. We started with how to create an account, explored all the core features in the video section, and saw how to upload or generate avatar images, choose aspect ratio, quality, and script, generate voice and animation using AI, experiment with real, created, and random characters. Whether you're making content for YouTube, business, education, or just for fun, Hedra gives you a powerful way to bring your ideas to life without needing a camera or mic. And if you're on the Lite Plan like me, you get premium voice, no watermark, and commercial rights, which is super useful for creators. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.